Assalamu alaikum viewers. Best drinks for IBS patient. First, peppermint tea. Peppermint tea helps the spasm and IBS patient who feel bloated in the stomach. It helps the patient with irritable bowel syndrome. Second, black coffee or preferably black tea. This is very beneficial. There are a lot of compounds in it that help you and a lot of individuals tolerate it. It should not be used more than 2 or 3 cups a day. Third, green tea. Green tea contains a lot of antioxidants and catechins. Do? They stop the process of bloating. Now what is bloating? When you take anything, you feel like your stomach is swollen, you feel bloated, you feel pain. So, they stop this process. Fourth, matcha. This is a concentrated form of green tea. It has 3 times more antioxidant, so the pain and bloating process is reduced. Use these drinkings during breakfast. Remember that you should not use milk or sugar in any of these drinks. It will make you feel bloated again. Instead of this, you can either use lactose-free milk, use low food map sweeteners such as plant sugar, stevia or monk fruit. It is very easily available, you can use it. Whatever you take, it should not contain a compound called tritol. It is dangerous. It promotes bloating again. Try these 4 breakfast drinks at morning and see how your stomach will not swell the whole day and how there will be no pain in your stomach. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe and like.